Hey everyone, it's Erin here, and I am planning for the week of October 1st. I have this new Black Cat monthly that I'm doing for October, so I have set that stuff up. If you didn't see my video on Friday, go ahead and take a look. It was this goals page and kind of a flip through of the last few months. Hopefully you guys get some inspiration from that, but I'm just going to go ahead and dive in here for some washi tape and getting this all set up for my week. Alright, that is it for my week. So I know people have like a weird time mixing metals or whatever for the foiled stuff. I don't really have that problem. So I have some Simply Gilded washi that came September. It came in September with this rose gold foil. And then I had this one that came as a pre-order for winter in these little mini colors for pastel for winter. So I decided that I don't care and I was gonna go ahead and do this. Like I said, I think this is either from Michaels or it is from Amazon. I can't quite remember. If I figure it out, I will let you know in the description below. So I have my washi sectioning off my days, some washi at the bottom for some decoration, and then I filled in what I know for my events or meetings or something like that. So I have my YouTube on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then I have an appointment with Verizon to address some of my speed issues. I have a dentist appointment and then a meeting at work, and then some more meetings at work on Thursday. And then I migrated over some tasks from last week that I either have somewhat done or need to do. So I have some of those set up, and then as each day goes on, I will address some more of those issues and migrate things over from day to day like I usually do. These weeklies are really easy for me to set up usually. I do, when I feel a little bit stressed, I do tend to go to either this horizontal type situation, or in the past I have also done my running list. Let's see if I can find one. I think I did when I was sick in August. I typically do these running lists where I know things are migrating over a lot. But if I want to feel fancy, then I usually do this horizontal setup. And it's been working pretty well so far. So I really do like it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, like, subscribe, notification bell, all that kind of jazz. And I will see you on Wednesday. Bye, everyone.